Hello and welcome to Inspired Organizer's Fleximount Garage Shelves install video. These shelves are excellent for storing Christmas decorations, sports equipment, really anything you need off the floor of your garage. The shelves come with Allen wrenches and a wrench to install the nuts and bolts. You also need a power drill with standard drill bits if you're installing the mounting screws in drywall or the studs, and a set of masonry bits if you're installing in bricks or cement blocks. A ratchet and metric sockets will also help speed the process. The shelves come with a template for all of the holes that need to be drilled. The shelf brackets are 48 inches apart, so if the location works for you, the standard 16-inch distance between studs should allow you to drill the holes into the studs. The first step in the process is to mark all of the mounting points for the brackets. Verify with a level that marks are level with the ground. Once you've marked the mounting points, you can drill all of your holes. If you're drilling into drywall, bricks, or concrete blocks, you'll need to drill holes large enough for the included wall anchors. Once all of the holes are drilled, tap the anchors into the wall. Once all anchors are inserted into the wall, start by mounting the brackets with the included screws. The head on the screws are 13 millimeters. Start with the end brackets first, and once the end brackets are mounted, install the middle support bracket. This bracket is shorter than the end brackets and has 2 mounting holes instead of the 3 holes that are in the end brackets. Once all the brackets are mounted in the wall, lift the shelf onto the brackets. The ends of the shelf should be outside the top of the end bracket, so the bolts will go through the shelf first and then the brackets from the outside. Install the 3 nuts and bolts on the ends of each shelf and 2 nuts and bolts through the middle bracket. Leave all nuts and bolts loose until all of them are installed so you can make any adjustments before final tightening of all bolts. And your garage shelves are complete. These shelves are painted steel and they should provide years of use while holding a few hundred pounds each. For more videos on how to install organizing products and great how-to videos to help you organize your entire home, click on the subscribe button below. We'd love to hear your comments, so please let us know what you think, and we'll see you in the next video.